the stars. 'Cause you packed your bags, had your heart set to roam. When you left for Georgia, said your friends didn't want you, but I swear I do. Say what we are. Time's not a problem. Do you think we were moving too fast? 'Cause we weren't meant to last. I can't move on from that. I don't have the words, so I keep counting stars inside of my room, inside of my room.
Ride around in my whip, told you you got it flipped, yeah. Trust that I won't do shit, I've used up all my attempts, yeah. Don't give a fuck and I know you're gonna be a no-show, yeah. Hanging out in poses, so you might as well pose, yeah. You got my mind messed up, look in my eyes and fess up. Do you want this relationship with me? Abandon the ship or should I sink? Not your brother, you do it, you own me. More than a friend, so don't throw me. Don't call me that shit, then the next might be talking about do you wanna come and home me, yeah.
Come and hold me, baby girl, you don't know me. Ain't that you call when you're lonely. All you do is disappoint me, but I'm in love and you're fucked up. God, I'm feeling so damn numb. Sorry that I am not enough. But tell me how you feel, the silence is real. Smoke on the herbs is a deal. You say you love me, I know you ain't mean it, but for some odd reason I feel like believing. Your feelings, they change like a season. Your feelings, they change like a season. Your feelings, they change like a season.
You just stay the same. What for? Look at us, we're already fighting. Well, that's what we do. We fight. You tell me when I'm being an arrogant son of a bitch, and I tell you you're being a pain in the ass. What you are? 99% of the time. I'm not afraid to hurt your feelings.
Yeah, ride around in my whip, told you you got it flipped, yeah. Trust that I won't do shit, I've used up all my attempts, yeah. Don't give a fuck and I know you're gonna be a no-show, yeah. Hanging out in poses, so you might as well pose, yeah. You got my mind messed up, look in my eyes and fess up. Do you want this relationship with me? Abandon the ship or should I sink? Not your brother, you do it, you own me. More than a friend, so don't throw me. Don't call me that shit, then the next might be talking about do you wanna come and hold me, yeah.
Okay, that last lap was a 1 minute 40.9.